How'd you hear today? I found out about what happened. Kumusta na Lola Gelay mo?
Unconscious pa rin. Pinipilit ko nga silang dali na siya sa hospital eh. Pero magagalit raw kung gumising siya sa ibang lugar.
Just like her, don't you think? I mean, up to the very last moment. She wants to have complete control of her life. Mag-usap tayo, Sandy. You know, I've given this a lot of thought. I've come to a decision. I think it would be best if I went back to the States. I mean, I don't think we can go on with our plans.
Dave?
Please. Please. Let me finish. Don't think I love you less. Mahal na mahal kita. Kaya lang, I don't think it's enough that I love you. Something that I've realized. I don't know how I can make you happy. I'm letting you go because I want you to be happy. And because I love you very much. Naintindihan mo ba ako?
Dave, I'm sorry.
Don't be. May mga bagay dito sa mundo na kahit ano ang gusto mo, pilitin mo. Hindi mangyayari.
I don't deserve anyone like you.
Hindi sa ganun. Naisip ko lang na mas liligaya ka sa piling ng iba. At alam natin pareho kung sino yon.
Diyan ka nagkakamali, Dave.
Mahal ka rin niya.
Paano mo nalaman?
Baka nakakalimutan mo na mas matagal ko siyang kilala kaysa sa'yo. At kahit papaano, mahal ko rin siya. Take care of yourself, okay?
I will.
You're going to be all right.
Ay, Doc.
Sige.
Bye, sweetheart.
Pare, pasalamat ka. Yan lang nangyari sa'yo.
Lul! Pare, ilang nurse naman nadali mo rito? Siguro naman matutuwa na si Cynthia.
Pare, leksyon yan para sa'yo. Baka sa susunod, mas masahol pa mangyari sa'yo. Oh, ba't
Uy.
di sabing dadaan ka?
Eh, napadaan lang ako eh. Just wanted to check kung buhay pa itong taong to. Pare, pwede bang iwan mo muna kami dalawa ni Tommy?
Oh, sige. Walang problema ron. Tara, labas muna tayo.
Sige,
labas muna kami.
dali. Sige, pare. Tira ka pa. Baka naman ngayon magaling na ako, ikaw naman uupak sa akin.
Hindi.
Ano yung sasabihin mo sa akin?
I just want to let you know that I'll be leaving for the States day after tomorrow. At hindi na sasama sa akin si Sandy. She's decided to stay behind. You know, I've said this to you before. And I'll say it to you again. Alagaan mo siya, Tom. Walang titingin sa kanya pag alis ko.
Nagbibiro ka ba?
Bakit? Gusto mo matawa?
Bakit mo ginagawa to, Dave?
Pare, yun siguro ang dapat mo matutunan. Pag mahal mo ang isang tao, all you ever want is their happiness. Hindi lang yun sa sarili mo. And I want the two of you to be happy.
Dave.
Pare, don't say anymore. I think it would be enough. You're welcome.